The latest news from the financial markets around the globe presented by FX, a multi-award-winning Forex broker.
Intel surged by 14.6% and traded at $23.70 on Thursday, following the announcement of the new CEO. Investors responded positively to his extensive experience in the semiconductor industry and his plans to revitalize Intel's business strategy. In regular trading on Thursday, the S&P 500 dropped 1.4%, the Dow Jones declined 1.3%, and the Nasdaq Composite fell 1.9%, as investor sentiment was rattled after renewed tariff threats from Donald Trump reignited trade war concerns. Natural gas futures fell to around $4 on Friday, following an 8.3% drop in the previous session, as investors were monitoring demand and supply dynamics. The euro fell close to $1.08, pulling back from four-month highs reached earlier this month, as traders closely monitor escalating trade tensions. Bitcoin traded at around $82,000 this Friday, increasing by 1.1% in the last 24 hours. Looking back, over the last 4 weeks, Bitcoin lost 16%. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 7 a.m., the UK to release the gross domestic product for January, following 0.4% in December. At 12 p.m., the retail sales in Brazil are expected to increase, after reaching -0.1% in December. At 2 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index of March, following 64.7 in February. Monday's major economic events. At 9 a.m., Italy to release the annual inflation rate for February, following 1.5% in January. At 12:30 p.m., the retail sales in the U.S. are expected to increase, after reaching -0.9% in January. At 2 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the Housing Market Index of March, following 42 in February.
And that's it for this week's Market News Roundup presented by FX. Thanks for joining us, and see you again next week as we bring you the latest market news and insights. We wish you a great weekend.